Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. It's been a while now, guys. So we all know that as a lady, right, if you're not ovulating, like if you every month you're having a menstrual flow and you're not ovulating at all, it's very stressful. It's very detrimental to our health, you know, and to our overall well-being. Like you just feel overwhelmed and you're not happy, especially if you're thinking of having children, especially if you're trying to get pregnant. So this brings me to this video because I had someone who reached out to me and she said like she has not been ovulating for a while and all that. I have videos on my channel that talks about ovulation, that talks about like what you can do naturally, guys, because I'm a believer of natural things. Like, guys, I believe that we are so blessed. We have all those things with us. Like, I mean, we have them right in our kitchen. Like, why don't you just use it and save some money, you know, and you save a lot of side effects and all that, because all those medications, they also have side effects. I'm not saying that they're not good. I'm not debunking. I'm not here to say that don't use them. No, I'm just saying like there's a lot of benefits in using natural home remedies. So in today's video, I want to show us very simple home remedy, what we can do to bring back our ovulation, what we can do to start ovulating. Now if you're a lady, every month, like after your period, right, during your ovulation window, you don't see the cervical mucus that is stretchy, that looks like egg white, that is transparent, you know, and your body temperature, if you have been tracking it actually, and during that period you don't have like a little bit of increment in body temperature. Or if you've even bought ovulation test kits and you use them, it's showing you that you are not ovulating, this video is for you. And even if you're not trying to get pregnant, share this video. It's very important. Share this video. This video is very important. It's going to be so helpful to thousands and lots of women out there. And first of all, I want to thank my returning viewers so much for your love and your support. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here today. My name is Gilly. You're definitely welcome to my channel, and please make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, okay, so that you don't miss out on all the videos that I post on my channel. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Make sure you turn on the bell once you subscribe. All right, and for my returning viewers, once again, thank you so much for always visiting my channel, for always coming back. I say God bless you all. Now in this home remedy, we need just one item, one ingredient. Can I see in your kitchen, right? Especially us Africans, we have a lot of spice. We have a lot of spice, and the spice, guys, I'm going to come up with another video where I will show you like what I did personally, right? How I put all those spice, how I use them, all of them together. I'm going to come up with another video to share it with you guys. I know you'll be amazed, and I know that you will definitely want to find out. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out when I share the video. So in today's video, I want to talk about AIDEN fruit. If you've noticed, I've used a lot of AIDEN fruit in my video, yes. And for every problem, miscarriage, fibroid, fertility, there's a method of preparation. There's a method of how you can take it. There are other things that you need to join together to take them. All right, so that is why combining some of the videos sometimes is not very advisable, because all of them, based on your problem, based on what you're actually taking it for, it has different methods of preparations, different method of administration, how you can take it, you know. So so I'm talking about AIDEN fruit today, how we can use AIDEN fruit. If you don't know what AIDEN fruit is, I'm going to put it on the screen, but right now I have the ones that already been like cut into small pieces. So I know like this, somebody who doesn't know what AIDEN fruit is would not know actually what AIDEN fruit is. Alright, so I'm going to leave a full picture of AIDEN fruit on my screen so you go and see what AIDEN fruit is. in this video today, guys, if you feel like I said before, if you're not ovulating, you've done all the menstruation tests and you feel like you're not ovulating, you've tried everything, use this AIDEN fruit. It's very simple. Whenever you have your monthly menstrual period, your monthly menstrual flow, that is the time that you're actually bleeding, right? The blood's coming out of your body. After you finish that phase, like let's say you finish your monthly period today, the next day you start taking this AIDEN fruit. You have to take it after your menstrual period, after your menstrual flow, and before ovulation. It's very simple. Like, I've had a lot of videos that I always stress, like I stress this particular thing: after your menstrual period and before ovulation, immediately after your menstrual period. All right, so you just take it once in the morning, once at night, 1 glass. Like you take this AIDEN fruit, you have to make sure you cut them into small pieces like this, just like what I have on my plate right now. You take 1, you take 4, you take 5, depending on the quantity, the amount of water that you want to use. If you want to cook in a very large quantity, make sure you be warming it, okay, before you take it. So you put the AIDEN fruit in the pot, you cut it like this with water, you boil it. First thing in the morning, 1 glass of this AIDEN fruit water, and last thing at night you drink another 1 glass of AIDEN fruit water. You take it before ovulation. That means usually you take it maybe 3 days after your period, or 4 days for people that have longer ovulation. Like if you're ovulating from day 12, day 14, I mean you should do it 3 days. Some people are ovulating from day 16. You can do it, you can stretch it to 4 days depending on when you're ovulating. And it's very important that you have to know when you're ovulating, because I know some people, like, they don't know when they're actually ovulating. Like, it's not like they don't want to know. It's difficult for them to like really accept it. It's difficult for them to like really just like know their body and understand their body system. That is another thing. But we have a lot of applications out there. You can use Flow. What I'm using is Flow to log in your period. You can start by tracking from the first day that you're having a period, and to the next cycle, the first day you're having the next period for 3 months, and you know exactly how many days are in between. You log it in your application, and then it's going to just automatically calculate it for you. Then you will know exactly when you're ovulating. And also you can also use this thing of tracking. You have to check your cervical mucus, you know, during that period. It's very stretchy, it's transparent, it looks like egg white. Okay, and yeah, just make sure you check during that period. And then you can do body temperature. You can start charting your temperature during your menstrual flow, and subsequent days to your ovulation you will see an increment in temperature. So guys, yeah, it's very important that you have to know when you're ovulating actually, especially if you're trying to get pregnant. It's very, very important. So once you take this home remedy, make sure the next cycle you check if you're seeing all the signs, you check if you're ovulating. And some people even go as far as going to do tests to see if they're actually ovulating. Alright guys, so yeah, this home remedy, guys, it is very, very important. Like if you're not ovulating, guys, like once you take this home remedy, you will start ovulating. For some people it will be immediately the next cycle they are going to see, like you will see drastic changes. Your ovulation will be back, and you know everything will be back to normal. For some people they have to take it about 2 months. So it depends on your body, and it depends on your situation, and what is the cause of, like, what is the problem that makes that happen to you, that makes you not ovulating. So it depends to the extent of your like the cause of you not ovulating, and also your body, how well your body receives it. Like we have different body, and we respond to different things when taking like we don't respond to them, we respond to them differently. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and try this home remedy, guys. Try this, make sure you try this home remedy if you're not ovulating. Like I would say that, like, don't even, for me, I would say don't take medications. Like try these home remedies first, there's no harm in trying. There's no side effects. It's not going to harm you. They're all natural spice we use in our daily food. And of course, while you're taking it for ovulation, it's not only going to benefit you for ovulation, it's going to benefit you for other things, like it's going to cleanse your body, your uterus. You want to make sure your uterus is clean to receive that baby, alright, to receive that little fetus. You want to make sure your uterus is clean. You want to make sure you're free of infection. You want to make sure that your hormones are balanced. Like, they have a lot of things. When you take one particular thing, it's not just for that thing, alright, it's going to work for other things as well. So guys, and I want to share this video. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you think that this video was helpful, sorry guys, if you think that this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comments down below this video. If you have any questions for me, I'll be glad to answer back your questions. And yeah guys, I think that'll be all for now. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. I'll see you again in my next one. To have a great day. Bye.